Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to update the firmware version of your headphones HUAWEI FreeBuds 6i. You have to start by open Huawei application, then choose your device. Now scroll down. Oh, of course you should connect them. Now scroll down and click on Update. Click on Download and Install. Maybe we should try again. Now click OK. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!